Welcome my dear students. I hope you all are very fine. This video is going to be very interested. Why? Because we are going to prove whatever we have studied in the previous class. We have studied in the previous class that plants are having the starch in this form of stored food. Okay, so we are going to prove it in this video by the experiment. Then after we will also see the chlorophyll is very important for the photosynthesis. Okay, so without any delay, let's start our video. Experiment to test for the starch in a leaf. That means after this experiment we will conclude, we will be sure that plants are storing the food in their leaf. Okay, but before this video, one thing I want to tell you, keep in your mind that iodine solution is always used to turn the green leaf into black. If you are using the iodine solution and if your leaf color is turning blue and black, that means that leaf is having the starch, and this is very important. Whatever 3 or 4 experiment we are going to do, in that this is very important. If the plants leaf are turning blue and black, that means they are containing the starch. If they are not turning blue black, they are not containing starch. Please keep this in the mind. Now let's start our experiment. For this experiment, what you have to do, you have to take the fresh green leaf. Okay, you have to take the very nice green leaf. Why? Because if you are taking the old leaf, that means they cannot have the very much amount of stored food. So please take fresh leaf from the plant. Okay, then after what you have to do, this you have to boil into the water. Okay, why we are boiling this leaf into the water? So that it will become very soft, because if it will be hard, then whatever experiment we are going to do, it will not happen very nicely. So that's why we are going to boil this leaf so that it will become very soft. After that, what we have to do, we have to dip this boiled leaf in alcohol. Alcohol is always used to decolor the leaf. Why we are decoloring the leaf? So that when we will add the iodine solution, it will convert into the nice blue black color. So second step is to boil these leaf into the alcohol. Okay, after boiling into the alcohol or putting that into the alcohol, whatever green pigment is present in the leaf, that all will remove. Okay, and we can have a better color in that after the experiment. The third step is you have to take out that leaf from the alcohol and you have to wash it with the hot water. When you will do this, you will see all the green color is removed from the leaf and now it is pale in color. Okay, it is little pale in color, no green color will be present in this. Okay, after that what you will do, again you will wash these leaf. Okay, because it is having the alcohol and something else, so please again clean these leaf with the hot water. Now after that what you will do, you will put the iodine solution on this leaf. Okay, iodine solution is available wherever you will get the laboratory equipment or solutions. Okay, so you can have this, you can get this from the school laboratory also. So if you will put the iodine solution on this leaf, you will see the color of this leaf is changed into the dark blue color. Okay, blue black color. So turning this blue black in color prove that this leaf is having the starch in them. Okay, if it will not turn blue and black, then that means it is not having the starch. But during these steps, if these plants leaf are converting into blue black, that means they are having the starch. So one more time I am going to repeat all this step. First, what we had done, we had taken the fresh leaf from the plant. Then we had boiled this leaf into the hot water. After that we kept that leaf into the alcohol so that all the green pigment will be removed. Then after we washed that leaf, and next week what we did, we put the iodine solution on that leaf. Okay, and after that putting iodine solution, our leaf color has turned into blue and black. Okay, blue and black, dark blue color or black color it will turn, which proves the presence of the starch in this leaf. And please my dear, keep in the mind, this is very very important. Whatever further activity we are going to do, it is based on this activity only. If the color of the leaf is changing into blue and black, that means the starch are present. If not turning, that means the starch is not present. So I hope you have understood this activity nicely. Now we are going to start the second activity, which proves that chlorophyll is very very important. Now you must have seen the different type of leaf around yourself, which is not exactly green in color. Okay, they are having sometimes red in color, yellow in color, pale in color. Okay, they are the mixture of the different color. So they are doing the photosynthesis. Obviously they are doing whatever green part is present in the leaf, from that part they are doing the photosynthesis, but the other part is not doing. Why? Because that other pale yellow color or white color or red color does not have the chlorophyll, so that part of the leaf don't do the photosynthesis and they don't have the starch also. So in this now we are going to prove this. So what we have to do for that? Again we have to repeat the same process what we had done previously, but this time which leaf we have to take? We have to take the croton leaf. Why? Because this leaf does not have the proper green color. Sometimes somewhere it is having yellow or white color, or sometimes it is having green color. So it is the mixture of both the color. That's why we are taking this leaf. It is very very important. You cannot take the ordinary leaf. You have to take the leaf which have green and the other color also. So again you have to boil this croton leaf into the water, then you have to put into the alcohol, and after that you have to put the iodine solution on that. But this time what you will observe? You will observe only that part has turned blue in color, which was green in color. Okay, if you will observe this, wait a minute, if you will observe, this is the green part. Okay, this is the green part, and this part only has turned blue in color. Okay, the yellow part has not changed in color. Okay, that means this activity is proving the green part is only doing the photosynthesis. Why? Because only green part is having the chlorophyll, and green part is only able to absorb the sunlight, and only that part is doing the photosynthesis. If that leaf is not green in color, or whatever part of the leaf is not green in color, that does not contain chlorophyll, and they cannot absorb the sunlight, and photosynthesis also does not happen. That's why they are not turning blue black in color. So this activity is proving that chlorophyll is very very important for photosynthesis and storing food as a starch. Okay, if whatever part of the leaf is not green in color, they cannot store the food, they cannot do the photosynthesis, and this activity is proving. I hope in this video you have understood very nicely the presence of the starch, how we can check the presence of the starch, and we have also seen that chlorophyll is very very important for the photosynthesis. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.